Visualizations with Mary Amy. Blessings. Our intention today is to become more aware to the value of nature through patience and trust. Let's realize when our inner spirit flows freely, we become less dependent on attachments and more capable of expressing our truest self. Your nature visualization begins now. Please find a quiet space, sit or lay down comfortably. Begin to relax your mind and body. Breathe out old energy. Deeply breathe, taking fresh air in. Together, we will inhale and exhale 3 times. Scan your body for stress or tension from the top of your head, your crown chakra, to the tip of your toes. Imagine you're alone with nature on a beach, observing the blue waves of water splashing on the sandy beach as the tide comes in, the smell of the air, the sound of birds enjoying, listening, understanding, and accepting the beach with the birds, the brilliant sky, and the soft sand, all part of you, all pieces equaling a whole. You feel protective of nature, the water, the air, the earth, and nature gives you strength. You feel the love reciprocated from the elements of nature. As the birds chirp, you convince yourself you know their language. Breathing out confusion and stubbornness that you've held in for practical reasons. A new energy touches your soul, an awakening, a clarity of the importance of compassion to all living things. The beach scene before you is serene. Sensations fill your senses, details, colors, the temperature of the sun-soaked water, the wet sand, the bird songs fill the air. A new thought takes over your mind and body. Nature's part of you, and you are part of nature. Staying in that moment. Accepting that moment. Joy filling your being. I will count backwards to 3. 3, 2, 1. Thank you for using guided imagery to improve and attract the life you wish for. See you again soon. Wishing you well. Bye-bye.